You're fine. So, Yuvansh, have you gone to school today?
No,
No? Why?
because I got uh,
Holiday.
cold today.
Holiday, not holiday.
I got
I got cold.
I got cold. Okay, that's why you got a leave. Okay, that's not a holiday, that's a leave. Okay, okay. Now, okay, so tell me, what are you wearing today? Which
Let's get a
color?
t-shirt.
Red color t-shirt. Okay, and what's written on it?
What?
what's
What
written
is
on your
there
t-shirt?
written? Something is written on it.
This
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels. You're a fan of Hot Wheels? You
And
have.
this is a skating.
This is a sketch car.
Skating.
Skating. Okay.
Skating boat.
Sketching board. Do you have sketching board at home?
No, I have cycle scooter.
Cycle and scooter. Okay. So you play with cars?
Yeah.
Yes. Which is your favorite car?
OG.
Audi. It's not OD. It's
OG
Audi.
and OG and Raphael.
Okay.
Two
Cool.
two.
Very good. Two. All right. Now we'll play one game. Okay, Yuvash? Let's play one game.
Yes.
Yes. Please take your notebook. I have a notebook like this.
1 second.
Pen.
Any notebook, ma'am. You can give
Yeah,
me
yeah.
any notebook. Any notebook.
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Anything. It's just a game for us.
Pen cover.
I will give you pencil. No pen.
Sit properly, Yuvansh. First thing, you have to sit properly. Yes. See, I am sitting straight. Am I sitting like this, like this? No. Sit straight. Yes. Very good. Very good. All right. Now keep this. Fold your book. Close your book. Close it.
And then close this.
Yes. And now keep this book on your head.
Mama head.
Oh God, it's very heavy, ma'am. You have to give him any lighter.
Okay. Yes, sure, teacher.
This.
I'll give you a
So,
light.
like any book, any notebook, anything, whatever you feel like.
This is. That is.
Any newspaper will also do.
Mama, newspaper.
Ha, baby, newspaper will also do.
This is.
This is fine.
Yes.
Okay, I can't see. Now, put it like this. Okay? See, mine is like this. Done?
It's
Yes, you have to sit like this. You have to sit like this in entire class. If you sit like this for the full class, you are getting a gift from my side.
okay.
Okay? Understood? Ma'am, your camera is not working.
Oh,
Okay, just give me one moment, teacher. It's not just... Yes. Sit here. Let me check. Sit. You sit here, Mama. Now it will work. Sit. Put this here. Is that fine, teacher?
Ma'am, I can't see him. Yes. Fine. Now sit properly. Sit
Yeah.
straight.
Straight.
The first thing, baby, whenever you're talking to somebody, you're going to somebody's house, you're sitting in your school, with your teacher, with your parents, anywhere, sit straight. You have to sit straight. Understood?
yes.
Sure?
Sure.
Yes? Now, this is a game. This is not your punishment. You keep smiling. Okay? When you're talking, are you happy?
Yeah. Oh.
Huh? Okay, that's okay. That's I did it. Okay, now you have to sit like this. See? Ah,
Sorry.
boring. Let's sit
Wait.
for 5 seconds. Okay? Let me count 10.
Like
Okay,
this.
okay, okay. Don't touch. Leave your hand. Okay, you have to sit like this. Now, answer some of my questions. Okay? Which color t-shirt you are wearing today?
Lad.
Have I asked you to touch the t-shirt?
This
No.
is lad.
Out. Minus 10. Minus. If you touch the book, if you touch your t-shirt, you are minus. Sit straight. Only like this you have to sit straight. See. Can you see me? I am all straight here. All right. You have to sit straight.
Okay.
Yes, your hand should be like this. Very good. Okay. Now,
Oh, it's the phone.
my nervous. Okay, no problem. This book is little bigger for you. It's okay, but you try. Good boy, you're trying. I'm happy. All right, very good. Now listen, Yuvansh, you know any fruit which is red in color?
No. Strawberry and apple.
Okay, now you can put back put it back. You have to practice this every day.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to sit and talk to your parents, any friend, okay, like this. Okay, now listen to me, baby. What is your favorite fruit? You said I have that.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. I don't have, sorry. Okay, any red color fruit? Any other?
Oh no.
Yes.
I
Apple?
like chili.
Chilies are not fruits.
No, red chili is also red.
Red chili is a fruit.
No, that is a spicy chili.
No. Any fruit. Apple, you said, right?
Yes, I
What is this?
apple.
Apple. Okay. What is this?
To cherry.
You like cherries?
Yes,
Yes. Very
I
good.
like also lychee.
Lychee is not red. Acha, you can say red color, but inside it's white. So fine, it will do. Do you like this fruit? I love this fruit.
I like this fruit. I
You
also
don't-
have this fruit.
You like this, right?
Yes, in my home.
Give me five.
This,
Give me
this
five.
also fruit is here mine.
In my home, I have
Huh?
My home this fruit come in the legs.
what?
Okay. So you have this fruit at your house, right?
Yes,
Yuvansh.
yes, I have
All right.
in my
And
home.
you know this is everybody's favorite.
I don't
This
have
is
this.
everybody's
I don't have
favorite.
this.
Which fruit is this?
Watermelon I have.
Which fruit is this?
Watermelon.
You have watermelon. Okay. Now today,
I have
yes.
so much big.
So I love.
I have so much big watermelon. Yes.
Oh, so big watermelon. Okay, share with all your family members and friends.
And those
Okay, you share
I
with
like
your family.
I will share with my family, but I will not eat.
I will
don't
don't
like
eat.
watermelon.
I will not eat. You like watermelon juice?
No, I like anything juice. Pineapple juice, pineapple juice, and strawberry juice, and apple juice.
Okay.
I like-
So what we will do today, baby, let's do one different thing. Come. Let's make a story from apple, cherry, and watermelon. One more fruit is there. Pomegranate. Let's make a story.
Pomegranate.
Yes, pomegranate. Okay.
And
Now,
strawberry.
strawberry I don't have. Next time I'll bring it. Sure. Okay? Okay? Good boy. Wow, how sweet you are. Okay. Now let's make one story. A short story. Okay?
Yes.
Okay?
Really short stories.
Like we are talking to each other, fruits are also talking to each other.
No, they don't have eyes and mouths.
They don't have, but you know where they live now, in the cartoon world, the animated world, there they talk to each other, you know.
Movies and they talk.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What do apple gives us? Apple makes us
Happy is sad.
strong.
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 Strawberry bags.
Huh?
Strawberry bags.
Sorry.
Strawberry bags.
Strawberry makes.
Acha, strawberry makes us beautiful. Yeah.
Strawberry bags are a red color.
A red color, that what I mean, it give you a pinkish color in your cheeks, like that only. Yeah, you have that
Yes.
pinky, yeah. See.
I have black also here. I eat jamun daily.
Very good. Now you will eat apple, that will give you energy.
I will
Okay.
eat the jamun also.
Okay, you eat jamun because black and red makes a very good combination.
And
Okay.
the lychee also make happy.
Make you
Lychee
happy.
make me happy.
Okay. Now,
And banana make really sad.
why? You know, banana, Yuvansh, banana is very, very, very good for your health. You will grow taller and taller. You will grow very fast.
I will glow like a god.
Yeah, you will grow like a tree then.
No, I will glow like a god.
God, no, not like that. I'm not saying that. Okay.
I will
Now,
glow like my mom and dad.
you want to grow like them? So you have to eat banana every day. Actually, you know
I
what?
will eat
Huh?
ground.
Groundnuts.
No, donuts no.
Then?
Bananas.
Okay. So
Daily I will eat.
you will eat daily? Promise?
I will eat jamun also.
Jamun is your favorite? Wow, even I like it.
I don't like seeds.
You don't like?
Seed.
Jamun
Loud.
teacher.
Ma'am, what you
Jamun
said?
seed teacher. Seed.
Okay.
Jamun seed teacher is saying I don't like the jamun seed.
Nobody likes jamun seeds.
Right.
You eat the pulp and throw the seeds. But you know what?
I drink their Pediasures.
You have Pediasure.
Yes.
Okay, you drink Pediasure.
I will eat Pediasure milk.
I drink.
Oh wow, cool. But you know, it's better to have fruits.
No.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, and it is chocolate.
No.
Chocolates are, chocolate are these. Fruits are these. You know, when you eat fruits now, your stomach will be very happy. But if you eat chocolates, your teeth, your stomach, everything will be very sad and it will be
No, it
paining.
will very
Yeah.
cry.
They will cry. Yeah, they will cry. You have to go to dentist and have injection there in your mouth.
No.
No. I will.
No. Teacher, it will blush. Blush.
Should brush.
Doesn't
I will
matter.
blush.
Doesn't matter. Only in 1 month you should have one chocolate. That's it. If mama gives you.
And I have one pizza now.
No.
You have pizza? Why?
You have,
Is it a
when you
good
have
thing?
pizza, when you have,
In Jabalpur, I had one pizza.
Oh, in Jabalpur now. Where are you staying now?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay.
Yes, I come Jabalpur to Hyderabad.
Okay, you came Jabalpur from Hyderabad. Fine. But don't have pizza. If mama says, then only. If anybody says, na, friend, family, don't have. If mama will say that you can have a
And
slice,
I
then
order in Jabalpur pizza.
okay, leave pizza. Come back to the fruits. These are the most beautiful things. And these are very tasty and healthy for
My
you.
friends, they are missing me.
Okay, do one thing. Put that notebook on.
Yes, I come Jabalpur to Hyderabad.
Okay, you came Jabalpur from Hyderabad. Fine. But don't have pizza. If mama says, then only. If anybody says, na, friend, family, don't have. If mama will say that you can have a
And
slice,
I
then
order in Jabalpur pizza.
okay, leave pizza. Come back to the fruits. These are the most beautiful things. And these are very tasty and healthy for
My
you.
friends, they are missing me.
Okay, do one thing. Put that notebook on your head again.
Again.
Huh? Because you are dancing so much. When you are talking. Yes. When you are talking, you don't need to dance.
you be sit properly,
Sit straight.
straight.
Yes. You shouldn't be like this. You shouldn't be like this. No. Very good. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, don't touch it. You shouldn't be like this.
Teacher will
Sit
not
straight.
give you stars then, UV. If you are doing this, no stars.
Okay. Now, concentrate. Okay. Now, see. First thing, baby, when mama is saying this is good, that will be the only good thing. Okay, keep it aside. Keep it aside. It's
UV,
okay.
give me this.
Listen, when mama is saying sit properly, no, 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 like this. No, only sit like this. Sit on the table. Sorry, sit, put your hands on the table. Yes, and look at me. Yes, correct. Now listen, three things I'm going to tell you. Please listen to me carefully. Whatever your elders are saying, that's the most important thing. Okay? If mama, and listen, baby, Yuvansh, mama is the most important thing in this world. If mama is saying that is the only right thing for you. If mama is saying this is wrong, that is a wrong thing for you. Mama, daddy. Okay?
Okay.
Then your elders. Okay, sit properly. I'm not doing like this. I'm sitting straight. Yeah, you have to sit straight.
Okay.
Have you seen me doing like this, doing like that?
No,
When we will dance,
I can't
you
do
watch.
this.
No, no. Okay, good boy. We have to sit like this. When we will do dance, na, then you do like this. Okay? Very good. Now listen. If mama is saying, daddy is saying that chocolates are not good, they are not good, baby. If you eat chocolates, they will go to your teeth and there will be the cavity, big, big cavities. Then you will go to dentist. Okay? So don't eat chocolates. First thing. Now, I have asked you to make a story, right? We were making one story. You know, these fruits were talking to each other. Apple, cherry, and watermelon. Look here. Please don't take that. Please
Okay.
play after the class.
Yes, I will play.
Okay? Nobody is taking your car.
Okay. This is not my car. This is my daddy car.
Okay, daddy's car. Okay. Can you see something? These fruits are also these fruits are red in color, and you are also wearing red.
Yes, matching.
Matching, right? Okay, tell me any other object, anything in your
And
room.
cut side also matching my t-shirt.
Huh?
Cut side, this cut side is here. This matching my t-shirt.
Okay, matching your t-shirt. What is
Yes.
there? Anything red in color in their
So
room?
teacher, he's saying the red one with when we just disconnect the call, that is in red color. So I can see red color on in the laptop as well.
Acha, the red button of
The
the
red button.
Yeah, okay, good. Anything else you can see in your room, red in color, or any object you remember red in color?
That is poison.
There is a
Poison.
What is
poison.
What is
Adi,
poison?
adi, adi.
What is
Ye
poison?
Bhagwan.
So you can say mosque. Mosque.
Acha, any flower you know, Yuvansh, of red in color?
Yes, I have in the god.
Tell me which flower is there.
I will. I
You will
will.
show me?
I will show you.
Okay.
I will show. Put my ear, Mama. Okay. This flower.
What is this flower called? You know this?
Yes.
Tell
What
me.
is-
Ma'am, please
This
don't help.
flower.
Which flower is this? Please name the flower.
Ask teacher.
Sunflower.
Yeah.
Sunflower.
Huh?
No.
Sunflower.
No.
No.
If
Think
you
more.
will say
Think. Use your intelligent mind.
Which flower is this?
rose.
Rose?
Teacher is talking you.
These are
Yes.
gerbras, right?
What?
Gerbras.
Topaz.
Yes. Oh God.
Mama, topaz.
Yes.
Okay. Give me any one more flower which is red in color.
This.
This is okay. Any other flower?
I don't have other stuff.
I don't want that flower. I want the name of that flower. Have you seen this flower before?
I don't have
You
other
want
stuff
some-
of this.
Yuvansh, have you seen this flower before?
I don't have this stuff.
It's okay, but have you seen this flower before? We offer this flower to God.
I don't have.
I don't.
I don't see.
You have not seen this before. This is hibiscus. Have you seen rose flower?
Look flat. I don't
Rose.
have. See.
You have not. I don't see, Nibita. I have not seen.
I have not seen.
You have not seen rose flower. Mama will show you one day.
Maybe you saw the rose flower. We have red and orange rose in our home.
Yes, I have.
Then,
White rose
then,
in our home.
So-
Okay, you forgot. Just say,
Yeah.
teacher, I forgot, teacher.
I forgot, teacher.
no problem, baby. Baby, again you are dancing. Put your bag.
I am pulling up this.
Okay, now sit straight. Yeah, very good. You have to sit like this. Okay, but when I will say, let's dance, Yuvansh, then you can do anything.
Oh,
Okay, but
yeah.
not
Okay.
not today, Yuvansh. Next day, we will do dancing. Next class, tomorrow. Okay, my handsome Yuvansh, give me 5. Give me 5. Give me dishum.
This is.
Dishum. Oh, you will give dishum to your teacher.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm playing at this.
like this. Okay. Now, Yuvansh, again I'm asking you some question. Please answer me, huh?
Yes.
Your countdown starts now. What is your name? Answer in sentence.
Yuvansh loudly.
Wrong. Wrong. Answer in sentence. Mine.
Yuvansh loudly tara.
No. All wrong. Wrong. Minus.
Yuvan.
My name is Yuvansh.
Yuvan Shilal Lajadan.
First you say my name
My
is.
name is Yuvan Shilal Lajadan.
Okay, very good. How old are you, Yuvansh?
A 3-year-old.
You say in a sentence, I am.
Teacher.
Yes.
Baby, look here. If you see left and right, I'll give you minus marks. Gone. I'm writing. Yuvansh minus 40.
No.
Yes. See, minus 40.
Yes.
Gone. 2 times you have seen left and right, you're out. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So now, third question. See, I am.
Yuvan Shilal Lajadan.
Oh, no. That's okay. My name is Yuvansh. Gone. Second question. How old are you? I am 3 years old.
What?
I am.
3-year-old.
Very good. I am 3 years old. Okay. Where do you live?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Very good. Minus 20. Minus 20. Make a sentence.
I make a.
No. I live in.
I live in Hyderabad.
Yeah, like this. Okay.
I have 100 points now.
No 100 points. First you have to say everything in sentence, then I will give you 100 points.
I have one flower.
Very good. Like that you need to talk. Okay, in sentences. Okay,
I have one flower.
very good. Now I'll ask you one more question. Yuvansh, when you get up in the morning, what you say, mama? The first thing.
Good morning, Mama.
And wow, very good.
Mama.
Good morning, mama. Very good. And what you do the say, excuse me, when you sneeze, yeah, when you sneeze, you should be like this, okay? And then you will say, excuse me, okay?
Yes.
Every time. Do that. Yeah. Good boy. Okay? Now, okay. When you get up in the morning, you say, good morning, mama. Then you pray to God.
Yes, I will see my eyes in the
Close
hand.
your eyes, then pray to God.
I put my hand.
You put your hand like this and you pray to God, right?
No, I will not
Or you
do
don't
like
have-
this.
okay.
I will do like this.
Okay, you do like this and pray to God, right?
Yes.
Very good. Very good, Yuvansh. Okay, the third thing, you go and brush your teeth or not?
I will blush.
I will brush me. I do brush.
I do blush. I have
Okay,
clean
then you
blush.
take your bath.
I have clean blushes. I have
Okay.
clean blushes, teacher.
Okay, so Yuvansh, you do brush at morning and do you brush at night also?
Yes.
Yes.
Before I eat chocolate.
Yuvansh, do you eat chocolate every day?
No.
Never do that. Then I'll give you
I
minus.
will eat summer vacation chocolate.
Yes, I will give you 100 minus 100. If you eat chocolates, only ask mama, then only you can eat. Okay?
I will
And-
eat chocolate in the summer vacation.
Bas, that's it. Okay?
Okay.
Good boy. Very good boy. Okay? Now, listen.
That is done.
Yeah, class is done. Now we can play one game.
Yes.
Yes?
We can
I
play
will-
that.
Listen. Time will get over. Listen. Okay, I will put this eraser in my hand. You have to select in which hand is the eraser, right or left.
Mama, నాకు eraser ఎక్కలా?
No, what teacher is asking.
Eraser
Listen,
game.
No. Eraser game.
You tell me in which hand is the eraser, this hand or this hand? In which
This
hand?
This hand.
Say right or left. This hand
Yes.
or this hand?
This.
This one.
Which one? Right hand or left
This
hand?
one.
Wow. Very good, yeah. Okay. Good boy. Now listen, baby. You have to tell me one story on apple, cherry, and pomegranate tomorrow.
Yes, I will.
Sure?
Shall.
You won't take anybody's help. You have to tell me the story.
Okay.
Promise?
Promise.
Okay. Then I'll see you tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Have a good day, Yuvansh.
Yes, I will.
Teacher.
I will.
Okay, teacher, I will.
Good day. And you will say good day always to me also. Good day, teacher. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sweetheart. Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, teacher,
Yes, teacher. Hello. Yeah, hi, teacher. Please tell me.
Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, today, tomorrow we will do class at night. So,
Right. Okay, teacher, just give me some time. Actually, I'm just checking his timetable as he's suffering from little cold and everything. So that's why actually today he did not went to school. That's why I just arranged for today.
acha. Okay.